Okay, kids, it's time to play What's That Sound with Verbal Ase! Yeah. Oh, was that my cue? Oh, sorry, start again. Okay, kids, it's time to play What's That Sound with Verbalase! Yeah! Verbalase? Verbalase? What are you doing? Ah! Verbalase! Huh? Get up here!
Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, here's the game. So I'm gonna make a sound with my mouth, and you guys have to tell me what that sound is. Are you ready?
No! I mean, yeah!
Okay, here we go. The first sound is...
Oh, I know.
What?
It's your ribs.
What? Ribs don't even make a sound.
Yeah, they do. They go like this.
Ow. Ow. Anyway, have you guys figured out what that sound is?
It's your heart!
Yeah, it's my heart. Good job. Anyway, let's see if you guys can figure out what makes this sound. Have you figured out what makes that sound?
A monkey!
Yes, it's a monkey. Good job. But where's it coming from? Ah, there's a little guy right there. Oh, he just wanted a banana. I think he was hungry. Isn't that sweet? Anyway, so where was I? Ah, yes, making the next sound, which is making the Ah, it's his mother. Let me guess. You want a banana too, right? Okay, you want an apple? Okay, how about some honey? Oh, okay. She does want some honey. Okay. Got some honey right here. Here you go. It's the only kind of honey I have. What kind of honey are you talking about? What are you doing?
Do I?
Get out of here! Okay, anyway, where was I? Okay, making the next sound, which is, hey! What now?
I want to make a sound.
Oh, it's ow. So you finally woke up, huh?
Yeah, and I can make a sound that not even you can do.
Oh, really? Okay, well, let's hear it. That's pretty good. Wow, that's good. How are you doing that?
It's a secret.
Wait a minute, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Come here.
I was hungry.
Get out of here! What's wrong with you? Eating a poor little defenseless chick. What's wrong with him? Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. Come back next time and I'll make even more cooler sounds. Until then, I'm Verbalase saying, peace out.
This is the Verbalase Show. This is the Verbalase Show. This is the Verbalase Show.
Hey, make sure you subscribe because there's gonna be a lot more cool stuff going on. So yeah, there's a remix coming soon. Make sure you subscribe. If not, I will find you.
This is